Hello everyone, I'm Eileen, the Sales Director of TTMC. Warmly welcome you all to visit us online. TTMC is a joint stock enterprise founded in 1997, mainly manufacture pencils, belt grinders, drilling machines, and sheet metal working machines. Over 700 different types can be supplied to meet your requirements. Well, 85% of our products are exported to more than 8 countries and regions around the world, mainly to Europe and America with high reputation. We are a group company with 6 factories and around 1,000 staff together, including 360 engineers and technicians. With our strong R&D team, there are at least 20 new items to be put into the market every year. Here is a photo of our staff, who are the backbone of TTMC. Almost all of them work in TTMC for a long time. They have made a great contribution to TTMC's development. Some of them come from the same family, such as father and son, mother and daughter, sisters and brothers, and also couples. TTMC is like a big family. We enjoy working together. This is our president, Mr. Xu Cheng. He is the founder of TTMC, also the largest shareholder. He has been in the machinery business over 30 years and has attended Canton Fairs more than 60 times. Every year, he travels a lot around the world to attend exhibitions and visit customers. Thus, he has got many friends all over the world. Mr. Xu always focuses on customers' requirements, devotes himself to developing our machinery industry, creates value for partners to achieve win-win cooperation. Hi guys, if you aren't his friends yet, come on please, make new friends and never forget old ones. Sincerely welcome you all to visit TTMC. Next, I'd like to introduce my international sales to you. Emily.
Hi.
Nicole.
Hi.
Lisa.
Hi.
Alfred.
Hi.
Mary.
Hi.
Nina.
Hi.
David.
Hi.
Tamara.
Hi.
Alisa.
Hi.
They have worked in TTMC for many years, with professional knowledge in machinery and rich experience in export. They can be reliable consultants to provide you professional services in your business. Later, they will show you our factories to learn more about us. First, please follow Emily to visit our head office. Thank you. Bye.
Hi friends, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. Warmly welcome you to visit TTMC. Now, I'm standing outside of our headquarters company. It's my great pleasure to introduce our company to you. Please follow me to have a first view of our working places. Come in, please. On my right side is the dormitory and the canteen. Every working day, I enjoy the lunch with our colleagues here. Is the lunch nice? Surely it's delicious. Next time when you visit our company, I will invite you to enjoy lunch together. Oh, what a nice building here. So large. It's our office building. We moved into this office 3 years ago. Let's go and see more. Come in. This is the first floor, and this is our showroom room with 1,800 square meters. You see, now it presents so many kinds of different machines. In the 10 days during June 15 to June 24, our company's online exhibition for Canton Fair will be held in this showroom room, and warmly welcome you to join us on the coming show. Okay, now we arrive at the 3rd floor. Who work in this 3rd floor? Follow me. Our technicians and engineers work in this 3rd floor. There are many engineers already working in TTMC more than 20 years. They know every point of our TTMC machines. They offer us very strong support on customer requirements, such as new machine design, product improvements, and so on. Their professional knowledge ensures the best ability to expand the cooperation with our customers, which is my office. I work in the 4th floor. Let's go. Welcome to the export department. You know, I have been working in export department more than 16 years. Come in. Hi everyone. Hi, I'm back. Are you familiar with some of them? I thought you have met them in past Canton Fair or exhibitions from America or Germany. Totally, there are now 24 guys in our export department. This is a very active and professional team. Last year, our export turnover is up to $40 million. Okay, next, my other colleagues will take you to enter each workshop to have a close view on our processing workshop, assembling plant, and so on. Thank you very much for your time. Be safe and healthy. See you.
Right now, we are at our processing workshop. Advanced equipment granting the high quality and efficiency. In the past year, we added many new machinery into our processing workshop to enlarge our production capacity. Just like this finishing gantry milling machine, it can make big parts more precisely. Also, we have many flow boring machines, CNC lathes, CNC grinding, and arc weld, especially the welding robots. It improves welding efficiency and makes the parts more smoothly. Many operators have worked in TTMC more than 10 years. They have plenty experience in processing. Just like these two guys, they can operate 2 unit CNC sinter machines at the same time. This way, it can improve processing efficiency and save cost. Those 4-unit CNC sinter machine has 2 rotary tables. The operators fix the parts in one table, and another table is in processing. It improves the efficiency and makes the part more precise. Right now, we are at painting workshop. Environment protection and health is especially important. That's why all our painting production lines are built in according to green airline.
Hello everyone, this is Tamara. I'm very glad to introduce our biggest workshop to you. This workshop looks very nice and bigger, more beautiful, right? This workshop mainly produced some grinding and fishing, sheet metal working, like bending machine, shearing machine, round bending machine, bead bending machine, tube roller, also some big band saws. In addition, we also produce new products here. Hello friends, I'm in the assembly workshop of our headquarters. This workshop mainly produced some metal cutting band saw, drilling machine, circular saw, and magnetic bending machine. We are the leading company to export band saw in China, and every month we export more than 2,000 band saws. Here you can see, this is our 7-inch band saw. This model is very popular in the market and sells very well. At that side, you can find another band saw. This band saw is our 9-inch. It is Europe design. You can see this band saw with a high standard, a separate electric box. It looks very nice, right? At this side, you can also find some band saws and circular saws. At there, or some magnetic bending machines. Okay, that's all. Next, I will take you to our another workshop to see one new product. Hi, this is our new product, N95 mask making machines workshop. In order to combat the global epidemic, our company started to manufacture mask making machines this March, which made a contribution to prevention of the epidemic and are well received by customers and the government. Here you can see, this machine is an automatic making machine and with good performance and high efficiency, which can meet your demand for marking machines. Okay, here you can see our staff are busy assembling the machines, and this mask is made by our machine. Okay, next our colleague Nina will take you to our warehouse to have a look.
Hello everyone, I'm Nina. Nice to see you. And now we are standing in our warehouse. This warehouse is about 11,000 square meters. It is our storage center. From this side, you can see there are so many finished products are stocked here by different brand factories, different customers, and different models. Our warehouse keeper can find and load correct machines to you very quick and easily when we receive notice of shipment. And look here, our workers are busy loading containers now. And in this part, you will see we have two loading platforms. So sometimes we can load two containers together at the same time. And normally we can load about 50 containers or more every month. See here, you will find the platform is together with the warehouse and inside. In this case, no matter raining, snowing, or other bad weather, we can make sure your product is safe and your containers can be loaded on time. Next, let's take a close look of our packages. All these boxes are made in our own workshop. Okay, see here please. This board, you can see these boards are very thick and strong. All these boards are plywood, so no need of fumigation. This kind board is very environmental and safety for export. Okay, that's what I want to show you. We very hope can see your containers loaded here in the near future. That's all. Thank you.